Hello everyone. Today we are making authentic Punjabi style Rajma Chawal recipe or Rajma Masala curry along with our flavored rice. Firstly, soak 1 cup Rajma in enough water for 12 hours or overnight. Then drain off the water and clean it and then transfer to a pressure cooker and add 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 1 tablespoon salt and 4 cups of water. Turn on the pressure cooker, cook for 6 whistles or until our beans become soft. Meanwhile, we'll make our Rajma Masala with our spices. Frying the spices, that is dry roasting 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon fennel seed, 1 tablespoon cumin seed, 1 tablespoon coriander, 3 to 4 red chilies, 3 clove, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 to 3 cardamom. Dry roast for 2 to 3 minutes and grind to powder. Use this powder instead of separate masala powders. Then goes our cooking part. Take a kadai or pan. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee and salt 1 tablespoon cumin seed, 1 inch cinnamon and 5 cloves, 2 cardamom. Add in 1 big finely chopped or coarsely grated onion. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes and then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and wait till the onion turns light golden color. And then goes 2 green chilies, either split or whole. When oil separate from onion, now add 3 ripened tomato puree and mix it well, cover and cook for 10 minutes or until the oil separates from the tomato. Before that, use 1 tablespoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon salt to make the tomato become soft and mashy. Then, further keeping the flame on low, add 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon fried cumin powder, half tablespoon amchur powder, half tablespoon garam masala, and salt for taste. Instead, you can use half of the ingredients and use our prepared ground masala 2 tablespoons. Salt well, mix well until the spices turn aromatic and then add in cooked rajma and give a nice stir. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes or until the curry become thick enough. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter and at last after the cooking is done and before you are going to switch off the flame, add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Mix well and enjoy the recipe with our flavored rice. Here is the easy process of making our flavored rice. Soak 1 cup of basmati rice in water for about 20 minutes and set aside. In a hot pan, heat 3 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1 tablespoon shajira, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 marathi moggu, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 to 2 star anise and fry them for 2 minutes. And then goes our 1/4 of the sliced onion, 2 green chilies. Once they fried for 2 minutes, then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And when the garlic leaves the raw flavor and the onion turns golden color, add handful of coriander leaves, handful of mint leaves and fry for 2 minutes. And then add 2 cups of water. That is for 1 cup of rice, use 2 cups of water and a salt for taste. And bring the water to boiling. The water start boiling and then goes our soaked basmati rice. Stir well and cover the lid and simmer until the rice is soft. It may take 15 to 20 minutes to get the rice cooked well. After 15 to 20 minutes, check the rice by taking the rice bit in between your fingers and try to mash it. When it becomes soft, then that is done. Our rice is done with cooking. Here are few tips to make the Rajma curry very delicious. Rajma curry, we need soaked Rajma for at least 8 hours for faster cooking. Simmer the curry at least 15 minutes to blend the flavors well. Make your own Rajma Masala to get the authentic taste. It is very easy to make instead of using the store bought Rajma Masala. Enjoy a slightly creamy texture for a great taste. To get that creamy texture while cooking the Rajma Masala, mash few beans to a paste so that you will get the creamy texture. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this recipe. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.